Now we need to bind this into the ProHub radio network. So we're going to go, this one is linked to a transmitter. They can be linked to other extenders if you're building a big network. But in this case, we're going to build it to the ProHub transmitter. So there is a small bind button just underneath there. I'm going to press that, and as you can see, we've got a radio LED flashing green. Then we're going to come to the extender. There's a small blue button underneath there. What we're going to do is press that, and then what you'll see is the radio LED on top. That's going to flash green. Right, that picked it up straight away, so it's linked. That flashing amber, that's telling us that it's initializing. It's basically doing a radio scan to get on the strongest signal. The scan went through, power light's back on green, so that's now been bound into its parent unit, the transmitter. So we're going to take that out of bind now. So that way, we've bound everything we need to the ProHub, and we can come back to the extender and then start binding things to the extender. Just a note to be careful of, just make sure you take this one out of bind before putting this one in bind, otherwise another device could accidentally jump onto this one, and we don't want that. We want to just build the network from the new extender. What we've got here is we've got a couple of our FreeDoor Pro devices, the DoorGuard Pro down the end there, and we're going to build the network down to cover these devices here. So once again, same thing, push the blue button, you got the flashing green LED on top, go to your FreeDoor, take the cover off, and again, we've got that small button there, that's your bind button. We're going to press that. And as you can see, there's a bit of a theme running here. We've got a flashing green radio LED, that's flashing green. Shortly that'll go solid green, and that'll confirm that that's actually bound in to the extender. Solid green. So that's bound in. What we do, we go along, let's do the DoorGuard next. So the DoorGuard, the small hole in the front of it, you need this is like a 3mm screwdriver, and just gently press the button that's inside there. And once again, got the same thing again. So we've got a flashing green radio LED. As with the FreeDoor, that should go solid in a second. And when it goes solid, we can confirm that is now bound into the extender. Heard the motor go, so that'll hold in. So far we've got the DoorGuard, we've got the FreeDoor, all bound to the extender. And what we're going to do, we want to build the network even more. So what we're going to do is we're going to put another extender onto it. So we take the lid off this one. And as you can see, under here, exactly the same thing again. So what we're going to do is we're now going to bind this extender to our new one and build the network even more. And the process is exactly the same. Flashing green LED, it will bind in. Should go at amber to do its initializing, its channel scan, and then we built that further. There you go. So that's everything that's going to be linked to our new extender. So once again, go back to it before we start building the network more and going from this one. What we really want to do is we want to take this out of bind. So that's that part of the network built. When we're happy that they're all linked in, the doors are holding open, the next step is the fire alarm test, the commissioning if you like. So we've got to make sure that when the fire alarm system, the ProHub is connected to, goes into a fire state, all the devices close.